Welcome to Dongguan Kaixiang. We own two manufacturing bases, home and abroad. Founded in 2003, China manufacturing bases, Kaixiang and Kaixiang, located in Dongguan. Founded in 2018, Vietnam manufacturing base is located in Hanoi, still under construction. We can supply hardware machining spare parts, standard products, stamping products, cold forming products, and stretching products. Besides, we can make customized spare parts for our customers. With 18 years of rich production experience, our technical team can always optimize the production procedure to lower cost for our clients. We have large tonnage, high-speed punch machine, CNC machining center, Taiwan multi-station screw machines, nut former machines, the other production equipment. Our inspection center is equipped with a full range of testing facilities. It's a one-stop machining center. Our factory has production department, inspection department, logistics department, and marketing department. Welcome all partners around the world to visit our factory. Thanks for your support and trust.